a few interesting branches of biology, which means zoology as well as botany. The first one is morphology. Morphology means the study of external form. Anatomy is study of internal organization or internal structure of an organism. Histology. Now I'll try to discuss as many logies as possible. Histology is the study of tissues. Cytology is the study of cells. Let's come to the human body. Physiology. Physiology is the working of organs or organ systems, comes under the study of physiology. Ophthalmology is the study of eyes. Neurology is the study of neurons or nervous system. Otology, study of ears, whatever. The audiology is also a part of that. Nephrology, study of kidneys or study of nephrons, comes under nephrology. Cell biology comes under cytology. Herpetology is the study of snakes. Similarly, serpentology is the study of serpents or reptiles, whatever. Ichthyology is the study of fishes. Coming back to the human body, a few more ologies. Osteology is the study of bones, known as osteology. Gastrology, study of the gastric system or digestive system, is known as gastrology. Hepatology is the study of liver. A few more logies, let's come to that. Immunology is the study of the immune system, is known as immunology. A few more. Embryology is the study of embryo or embryonic development within a mother's womb. Ecology is the study of ecosystems or interaction of organisms with their environment, comes under ecology. Neonatology. Neonatology means study of a newborn infant or a newborn within a mother's womb. Embryology is the study of embryos, is known as embryology. Paleontology is the study of fossils, comes under the study of paleontology. Oncology, study of cancers, is known as oncology. Gerontology, hematology. Gerontology is the study of aging, the science of aging. Hematology is the study of blood and the blood corpuscles. Pathology is the study of diseases. You all know that. Viruses, bacteria, study of all that comes under pathology. Ichthyology we did discuss. Karyoology is the study of nucleus. Kinestology is the study of working of muscles. Myology is the study of muscles. Cardiology is the study of heart and the functioning of the heart and the organs related to the heart, comes under cardiology. Yes, so cardiologist is someone who takes care of all that, your heart and heart diseases. Chronology is the study of age by years. Ages, it comes under chronology. Parasitology is the study of parasites. We did sorology is the study of dinosaurs, etc. comes under sorology. So these are a few words. I will share a few more words with you, but you need to come back to me with, in the comment section, you want more words. I can share 50 or 100 more words with you, which includes the different branches of biology.